Hey, what's up guys? It's Jesse with Rendel RV. Today I'm going to take you around a 2020 Salem Hemisphere. It's an Elite Series 36 FL. It's a front living, bath and a half. So come on, I'll show you around. So it's going to have two pass-through storage compartments. Here's the front. You'll notice aluminum construction with your polar gradient barrier. You got your new fold-up steps. It comes with your 6-point auto leveling, and then you get your second pass-through storage right here. Behind that, you get an outside kitchen. This is a roll-out countertop sink. You get a griddle, refrigerator, 2 outside speakers. Over here, you have a TV. Come around to the other side, I'll show you. Some extra storage on this pull-out roller system. Instead of going in there and digging for your stuff, roll all your stuff out with this nifty little roller system. Over here you got an outside shower, black tank flush. And then we'll just continue on. This is the other side of the pass-through storage. You get your front storage. So this thing is also solar prep and backup camera prepped already. Also, you get some more storage in the front there. Come on inside. So up front, like I said, it's a front living model. You'll have your 2 trifold sofas here. You can sleep 4 people up in this front den. Comes with an ottoman, fireplace, sound bar, huge HD TV. If you pan around here, you'll see a set of recliners. Got some LED lights, cup holders, and down below. Down in the kitchen, lots of counter space, undermounted stainless steel sink. You got a gooseneck spray faucet, some overhead cabinets. Big pantry over here. You get the oversized microwave, nice cooktop right there. Huge refrigerator. Got a ice maker and a freezer down below. And then this is the half bath. So you got guests over, they don't have to go all the way up inside the bedroom to use the big bathroom. Alright, let me show you the bedroom. So up here, king size bed. You got 5 dresser drawers here, wardrobes here. TV's already mounted for you. More storage underneath this bed too. Inside the bathroom, you'll have a washer and dryer prep. So if you want to do some stackables, that would go right in here. If not, you just use it for more storage or wardrobe space. And I'll let you see the bathroom. Big shower, lots of counter space here, double sink, or I'm sorry, double mirror. Foot flush toilet, and you'll get a linen closet over here near the door. Some bonus storage above the bathroom too. So if you do bring guests, they can bring their luggage and stuff and put it up there. So yeah guys, if you're in the market for a fifth wheel, if you want me to show you around, come out to Rendel RV in Rice, Texas. We're at 45, just about 30 minutes south of Dallas. Thanks for watching.